Wait. Child, a lot has been going on, okay? My mother spoke. She told me something. It took me like 3 days to process that shit. We've been looking for Brianna's formula from yesterday. We checked at least 6 stores, 6 different stores. Y'all will not believe. No place have Brianna's formula. We checked at least. Good job. Good morning, you guys. There's nothing like some nice, fresh, cut grass. Yes, sir. Oh, this was right up on me. Oh my goodness. And oh my god, you guys, I'm so freaking excited that the grass is cut so I can go outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and brush my teeth, wash my face, and I'm going to have my coffee outside. Let Brianna run around. Then I'm slow down, and then I'm probably going to come back outside later on in the afternoon just to let her burn some energy again. And yeah, so Daniel. Wait. Okay, you guys, so we're back inside, okay? It didn't even last like 2 minutes, okay? I ran back inside because out there's just too moist. It rained this morning and it rained last night, so out there's just too much. Y'all know, if y'all watch my videos, I don't really like the rainy weathers like that. Like, I don't want to be outside in the rain. And I thought I could do it, but I couldn't do it, okay? And how the grass is cut, like the walls is crazy out there, and like the bugs. So just gonna drink my coffee inside. I even wait a little bit. I was hoping like the sun came out and dry the grass a little bit, but yeah, oh, that is really moist. I can't take it. I tried, but I cannot take it. My skin was starting to itch. Hey guys, a little life update on me. What has been going on with me ever since. Child, a lot has been going on, okay? But I only could speak on so much. Like, I can't give too much details. Anyways, so my mother spoke, like, I would say 2 weeks ago we spoke, and she told me something, and it took me like 3 days to process that shit that she told me, okay? It took me like 3 days to, like, to process it. I was like, what the? Life is crazy right now, okay? And one thing that is being grounding me is believing that everything is working out for my good. It may sound simple, but I believe that everything is working out for my good, even the bad, okay? Even the bad. That is what is being grounding me and holding me firm, keeping me kind of balanced. I believe that things that were so-called bad or negative, it's happening for your good. It's to mold you, it's to shape you. A few months ago, I only believed that just stay positive all the time. Block out all the bad or whatever that is going on inside life. You may not agree. I've learned to let everything flow, let everything in. I accept everything, all of my emotions, everything. Like, I just let everything flow. I greet it with love. Okay, when I started to feel like depressed or my anxiety starts to come, I greet it with love. Okay, I greet that shit with love. And it's crazy, right? Any type of bad news I receive, I be like, thank you, God, thank you. I just appreciate everything, you know. This is life. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna feel away sometimes, but girl, I've just been accepting it as it comes. Okay, I've just been accepting it because we just want good to always come to us, and it's not always gonna be that way. So I've learned that you're gonna have trials inside life, and that's fine. That is fine. So that's been grounding me and helping me get through whatever I'm going through right now. I don't even think as things that I'm going through right now is something like horrible or just bad and why me, and I don't think about it like that no more. I think about it as it's for the greater good. It's for my benefit. Okay, everything is for my benefit. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay. Y'all, good morning, you guys. So it's the next day. I didn't came back on the blog, but yeah, a lot went down, so we could come back on. Anyways, so what I'm about to go into the kitchen and tackle these dishes. These lines under my eye, like, they coming strong, babes. They coming strong. Like, I know I'm aging, but I'm not aging that fast now. Come on. I believe because of lack of sleep. But yeah, when you get enough sleep, your face, like, everything just look better. You move better. I'm telling you. But I ain't getting no sleep, so my eyes is showing it. Anyways, guys, so this is what the kitchen is looking like. Thanks to Brianna's father, because these dishes was clean. Y'all, and here it's pretty dark, okay? Y'all know how. I never have on no clothes. Never. This never. I could never have a roommate because, babes, I like to stay in my panty and bra, especially in the summer. All day. Every day. So I'm done from cleaning up. I'm just cooking some noodles for Brianna. Y'all will not believe no place have Brianna's formula. We check at least 6 stores, 6 different stores. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Run and catch the plate before it broke. Anyway, so we've been looking for Brianna's formula from yesterday, okay? Because she was getting low. She was getting low on her formula, so we was looking for a formula from yesterday. Now it's a new day. We still can't find this formula, okay? So I guess that's a sign to get off the formula too. I was going to wait till she reached 2 for her to come off the formula, but whatever. She already off a pacifier, like she's taking a blow after a blow. We haven't been getting any sleep since Brianna lost her pacifier, and that was like a month. It's been like a month, so that sucks. I'm sweating, girl. I just hope that she eats a lot of this noodles, okay? Because okay, you guys, so Brianna's down for a little nap. While she's down for a nap, I need to jump in the shower. Actually, I need to cook this rice before I jump in the shower. Yeah, I'm cooking some mackerel and rice. Listen, lately mackerel and rice has been hitting, girl. Has been hitting. So yeah. In other news, we had to get number 2 of the Laxogen, okay? She's on a 3, but we can't find the 3 nowhere. Hopefully she drank. Let me taste this. Let me see if this tastes like the 3. Hold on. Okay, you guys, they taste the same. So the number 2 is for like 6 months. Number 3 is for 12. That's where we're at. I had to get it, okay? Shit. She had a last bottle this morning of the number 3. So yeah, we check like literally like every store. So I think it's time for her to come out formula. And I also want to go outside later, so let me hurry and cook this food before the sun goes down, because y'all know time has changed. Yeah, time has changed, so I want to go outside, catch a little bit of sunlight before the sun goes down. So yeah, let me hurry up. You also, Brianna's already up, so that was short-lived. This is my mackerel and my rice. Y'all don't mind I sing in the corner. That is garlic butter I used in the rice. We did end up going outside, but we had to come back inside because I didn't have no off for Brianna's skin, and she started to get bite with mosquitoes, so we had to come right back inside. So now I'm just editing this vlog. So I think I have enough footage for this vlog. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.